Hello guys, this is Vaish. So the 2021 prelims test is going to happen on October 10, and one of the important tests which is part of our test series is the economic survey. So if you are already enrolled to our test series, the full package or the economics package, then you need not worry about what is going to be explained here. This is just that a single economic survey test is being given separately because it is helpful for many other exams also, including the 2020 interview which is happening this month. So that is why all others, okay, for their purchase of this test only this video is being made, but others also can watch to know, see the sample. Okay, already if you're enrolled, I think you would have got it by now in your email, but others can watch this. Okay, so this will include the notes, the summary, the tables, the graphs, the MCQs, everything what is needed from that particular thing. Okay, economic survey, you know, it comes in two volumes, volume 1, volume 2, including like 20 chapters. So it will have around 750 to 800 pages of content, okay, which is very difficult to read and very not very interesting, okay, because it has full of numbers, facts, figures, and everyone will not read it, okay, especially the students who are studying this much other books and subjects. You will not be able to read, so we are doing the reading for you every year, and we have summarized it to 175 pages. So now you'll be telling like maybe some of your institutes have given it to like 25 pages, 30 pages. That we can also give. Okay, what they are doing there is they are just cut pasting the conclusion part which is there in all the chapters. There will be a conclusion part where 10 bullet points are given. That will not have any numbers, statistics, GDP rates, nothing will be there. They'll simply tell, okay, this India has done that, India has done this, or the name of some schemes will be there. What is the scheme, what is the detailing? Nothing, they'll copy paste because that involves effort. Okay, so that is what we have done for you. That is why it is 175 pages. Still, it is very crisp. Okay, if you take a summary of such a big thing, it's very crisp. So I'll show you. And before that, you have to go and watch this particular video, which we already explained why you have to read economic survey, what is the relevance. Okay, same like the 2019 also there was an edition. Both the videos you can watch to understand the importance of it first. Without that, don't study anything. Okay, because we don't prefer throwing materials at you without knowing the basics or teaching you the basics. Okay, so in this particular thing, like who should buy this? 2020, as I told, whoever is giving interview, you have to buy it. 2021 prelims mains interview you have, and 22 also you have. 23 onwards, you don't buy this. You can maybe buy the next year's economic survey. Okay, don't buy this one. Then any other competitive exam you're preparing, and anyone who generally wants to know about Indian economy, because people think like we are paying tax. What is this government doing? Where is this tax money going? What are we importing? What are we exporting? We just see social media things, but we don't know the original stats. Okay, so that in comparison with the world thing, you will know like India is doing much better when compared to many other countries. Okay, so that and all you can learn here. Indian economy, Indian government schemes, the government policies. Okay, with statistics they'll tell. Like we told, like maybe this government told these many houses will be built. Then how many houses are built actually? What is the like foundation is set? Everything like step by step they'll show you for every scheme. Okay, so you any doubt you have about this government's working? Okay, any government at any particular year, Indian economic survey is there since last 50, 60 years. You have to go and read them. Okay, so where to get the older economic survey? That also I'll tell you in this video. Okay. So we'll see this detailing in the original test PDF itself. Okay, so whoever enrolls to our test series, you get a detailed question PDF and an answer PDF. If you see here, this is an answer PDF with 176 pages, and this will be the question PDF, which will have only just 25 pages because it has just the questions in this. Okay, because after you study from this answer PDF like a magazine, then you have to come here and then try to solve it. Okay, so these are all questions. Many I have already posted in our community tab. The first 5-10 questions I think we have already discussed in one of my quiz challenge which we do daily. One episode was economic survey. There are 5-10 questions we have already discussed with answers. Okay, so like this it will look like the question PDF, so you can attempt it at the end. If you go last 100th MCQ, it will be something like this. Okay, this is the 2021. So all the reports, indexes, whatever came and what is important for your exam will be covered in our test series. That is guarantee. Okay, because last year also 2 questions came from economic survey, both were there in our test. Okay, both, and that I have showed in my last video. So this year also I'm guaranteeing you. I don't know how many other institutes can guarantee that, because I have read every line of it and then only I will make this kind of thing. Okay, and wherever you see this blue color link, these are all hyperlink and it will take you to those respective places. Okay, economic survey original document or budget original document, and these screenshots are like important lines from the budget speech. Okay, that is there in the government website itself. I've taken, and in answer PDF you will see this index kind of thing. Okay, this is the magazine in which you have to study. So each thing, if you click, okay, like example, if you click here, it will take you to the 100 MCQs, meaning the answers to it. Okay, and every question will be followed by the answer key also, explanation also, and from where it is taken. So this is this volume 1, chapter 1. I have done it in chapter order only. So the last 100th MCQ will be obviously volume 2, chapter 10 of that. Okay, 10 chapters are there in both the volumes. So like that in order we have done. Okay, entire thing, and wherever it is important I have underlined and bolded it. So even if you are like last minute studying, you can just focus on that dark lines alone. Then also you can save a lot of time. But ideally, because now you have a lot of time, more than 2.5 months are there for your exam, you can read it fully. Okay, properly you can read. So it'll be very detailed. Okay, nothing will be missed. It's entirely copy pasted from the economic survey by filtering out the important things. Okay, so this is about the MCQ. Now going back to the table of content. Okay, this is the index actually, volume 1 and volume 2. Okay, here all the basic chapters are there with which you will get the foundation. Then the volume 2, when you do, you will get the statistics of it, like how much is our GDP, what is our fiscal deficit, what is RBI's policies, okay, monetary, everything. And from both questions are coming in UPSC every time. For prelims it is very less, but for mains a lot of questions will come from here. Okay, so and it will be direct also. Direct questions from this will be picked up. So that is the volumes. Now if you again go back to the table of contents, important notes after the 100 MCQs, which will, if I tell 176 pages, at least 89 to 90 to 100 pages will be covering the MCQ, question answer, question answer. After that, the remaining 75 pages are pure notes. Okay, and that notes, like if you click on this, it will take you to important notes here. Okay, after the 100th MCQ, it will come here. Okay, this is the important notes. It will come here when you click the hyperlink. So first basics are there. Okay, like when did budget start and when did economic survey, what is the theme of this, like that, very like bullet points are there. Then if you see, each yellow highlighting thing is a thing you have to study, like about current account, about sectors like agriculture sector. And then when you scroll down again, industry will be there, service sector will be there. Okay, food processing, industry, everything. Like each thing is actually a big chapter in your actual PDF. Okay, the economic survey, but we have taken out only the important things which is needed for your exam, and it will definitely come for your exam also. Infrastructure, national infrastructure pipeline, this viability gap funding. Then after that again, if you go down, stock markets, forex reserve, FDI. So these are the things actually part of your UPSC syllabus. Okay, exports, about steel, about coal, like where we stand, textiles and apparels. Okay, I'm just reading out the headlines so that you understand how much worth it is. Road sector, civil aviation. These are all given in 2 to 3 pages in the PDF. Okay, from there we have picked up each of the important crisp points and put it here. Port and shipping. So you can save a lot of time by just reading this one. Okay, the port's handling capacity and the turnaround time, which has improved now for India. Railways, what all new initiatives are going on. And here if you see telecom sector, petroleum and natural gas, see everything, third largest one or fifth largest one. This kind of things is what exactly UPSC asks. The power, okay, what all sector, like renewable energy, how much has grown now. Mining sector, lot of new schemes are there, lot of new amendments are there. Then service sector, in service sector also, you know, there are various things to study. Okay, the service exports are there. Then this WTO index is given here. Then within states, how is the gross state value added for that. Then again one index is given. Then tourism sector, which is hit hard because of this pandemic and all. Okay, then this foreign and domestic tourists, like how much comes, which country more people comes. Okay, these are all big complicated graphs they have given in economic survey. I have filtered it out with the just like one liner. Okay, then the e-tourist visa, then IT BPM service, which is India's most important thing, which is part of GDP. Then startups, then again OSP terms and conditions were modified, that is given here. Consumer Protection Act is amended, that is given here. Space sector, like we feel like India ISR is doing a lot of things, but still it is way behind compared to other countries, USA, China and all. So that is given. All the private sector initiatives in space sector, which is a new thing. A new report, Satellite Industry Association report. These are all, I don't think other institutes are covering. Okay, all these are given in your economic survey, but most of the people don't take it seriously, but this will come for your exam. Okay, inflation, everything. Okay, WPI, CPI, rural, urban, whichever inflation has gone up and down, everything with the needed 3 to 4 bullet points about each thing I have given here. Okay, measures to control inflation, what is suggested by economic survey. Okay, these are the things in mains they'll ask. Okay, then again if you see here, gold price, drugs price, that is medicine price. These are the ones which are in news now, so you have to know. Okay, there is this housing index is there. Then sovereign credit ratings, you know, this Goldman Sachs and all these people give us ratings like A, B, C and all. So that India has gone again up and down. So that related thing. Then again, if you go down, there is this India's GDP. The next will be obviously world's GDP. Yeah, here world GDP losses. Then disinvestment, we keep target and whether we have achieved it or not. Then money and banking section is given separately. Okay, where all these things are there. Then healthcare, a small introduction I am given here, but healthcare is covered again in the last chapter in volume 2 with lot of numbers. So again it will come. Okay, so here again COVID-19 time, what all went up and down. Then here quality control, healthcare policies, what is changing. Over regulation, India is like told to be having over regulations, that is reflecting in World Bank report and all. So about that we have told. Then here if you see, and all these things, okay, whatever you see in this blue color and yellow color, this is actually again hyperlink is there. Okay, so when you study, okay, like let me just go to the top again. Okay, because maybe you have seen a lot of content now. So here if you see, just for understanding, You can go like this as I showed you, like click on this important notes and then read through it. Don't have to come back to index. But in case once something specific you have to read. Okay, for example, this schemes which is announced now as part of Atmanirbhar Abhiyan, only that agriculture schemes, read it here. Only that 3 agriculture laws which is there now in this like a protest and all is going on, that 3 laws only you want to read, then click on this. Okay, it will take you here. So if you see here, these 3, okay, this Mandi related APMC Act, then this Price Assurance Act, and then the Essential Commodity Act. So that 3 alone you can read. After that, onion prices, there is a big policy thing going on. So that onion price export and all, why they banned in between. So that kind of thing, that alone you can read it here. Okay, so everything you can go section by section as per your interest, or as I told, you can read it in an order. Better thing is read it in order so that you don't miss anything. Okay, because in index I didn't put everything, I put the most important ones only here. Then here if you see national education policy, very important, that all the points are given. Infrastructure, all the schemes which are announced. Social sector, which is a totally different chapter. Okay, the last chapter, because a lot of notes are there, all the health schemes, all the education schemes, I have put it under one bracket. Then there are the main question I have given, structural reforms by India during pandemic. Okay, like why people should learn from India, that kind of one notes is there. This is just two lines about every sector. Okay, but the detailing of each, as I told, is there in different pages also. This is just for a single mains answer I gave. Then this Insolvency Act is there, capital expenditure related thing is there. I'm just showing you what all content is there, so that before even purchasing this, you come to know what you are going to miss if you don't buy. Okay, see here, Swachh Bharat Mission, Jal Jeevan Mission, all the schemes which has been in news, Sadak Yojana, Deen Dayal, this thing. So all these are there in the economic survey, and students actually wonder when after the exam gets over, they wonder like how come these questions came, where was this covered? This was actually covered in your economic survey. Okay, in newspapers maybe everything will not come in this particular year, but economic survey if it's covered, then you have to know. Okay, like here if you see Ministry of Defense, what all there, I think in the 4 to 5 pages I've covered that also. All the defense related purchases, schemes, exports, everything is there in this 3 to 4 pages. Okay, then here at the end something interesting is there. Terminology section is there, like which for your CSAT exam also will be useful. Okay, whichever, like these people simply use a lot of technical words and philosophical kind of words which everything a normal person will not understand the meaning of it. Okay, there will be some Latin phrases also. So that and all I have just shortlisted it here, so that in case they ask in CSAT exam, that also will be helpful for you. Okay, so terminologies are here, not much, just 1.5 pages. Then after that, the quotes. Every chapter will have one quote, either taken from this Mahabharata or some Kalidasa's book or any Aristotle, Greek writers, Gandhi. So these are exactly the ones which will come for your essay exam. Okay, in your mains exam, this is what they put. They simply put this line and tell like explain or justify or comment. So you actually wonder from where are these people getting these quotes. They are taking these from this only. Okay, so please read this. Most of them are very interesting ones, very motivational ones also. If you see here, start by doing what's necessary, then do what's possible, and suddenly you are doing the impossible. Okay, and here in the midst of every crisis lies great opportunity. Okay, this is all because of COVID situations and all these kind of quotes they have taken to give a summary of what they are going to explain in each chapter. Okay, so this is how the PDF will look like. Okay, now along with this question PDF and answer PDF, another thing which you are going to get is this another one which we made this time, that is important tables. Okay, because if you put all these pictures there, that file size will become very big. So all the tables, which is again very important. You see the MSME classification this year they have changed. Okay, the criteria earlier it was like this, now they have revised it. Manufacturing service, they have made it together, and the investment and turnover together is there. Till now only investment was there, now investment and turnover both are there. So this is again a new type of classification, very important. So you get HDI or any index, any report which is important for your exam. Okay, because this economic survey will have at least 500 plus graphs and charts, but we have taken the best 100 charts. Okay, in 65 pages of this thing. Okay, I think 65 pages will be there. In that 2 charts, if you take in each page, at least 120 to 130 charts will be there, but in totality there are 500 plus charts. So we have taken the best one. This again, I don't want you to simply sit and research too much or waste too much time. Okay, whenever there is a graph, you just have to look whether something is steadily increasing or steadily declining. Okay, UPSC asks that only. Okay, they will say like physical deficit is steadily increasing, but the graph when you see, it will be like zigzag. That means it is not steadily increasing. So that is exactly one which UPSC asks you. Go and check the previous year questions. Don't worry, like these many things are given. Okay, so here if you see this monthly expenditure of central government, this is going like up and down. Okay, it will be negative, positive. It will be never steadily thing. But UPSC in a statement will put like the capital expenditure or central this thing has been going steadily since last 5 years or last 10 years, and that will be obviously wrong. So you have to put like neither one nor two. That is what will happen. Okay. So I hope only people who see UPSC question papers will understand what I'm telling. Okay, this year and 90% of the graphs are this thing. Okay, V-shaped recovery, meaning we were going fine, then we went down because of the COVID, then we again came up. Okay, so earlier also it has happened once. So later now also it's happening this only, V-shaped recovery. This is the only thing they have gone on stressed in every chapter. Wherever you see a graph, there will be a V-shaped recovery. Okay, so this again will help you understand like what all is needed for this exam. Unwanted, not a single thing will be there in this. Okay, anything state-wise comparison, if you see here, this is this attendance group in education, this also state-wise thing is there, so I felt it important, so I kept it here. So if you see here, see Kerala is 100% attendance ratio. Okay, and this is like lower because of certain, like some age group above 18 years it's lower. So different states will have different numbers, so this and all may be asked. Okay, so like that, everything is important is asked, so you have to come and buy this if you are preparing for any of this exam. So if you buy this, I'll be giving you free of cost the last year's PDF also, which I'm not opening here and showing because this is looking, it looks same only. Again, 200 pages, this many questions, these many notes, everything based on last year's economic survey. So both I'll give you in this package if you are enrolling. And then as I told, so 200 plus solid MCQ, 100 this year and 100 of last year. Notes also like 100 this year, 100 last year pages. Then tables and graphs. Okay, that is this year itself, it is close to 150 to 200 is there. Okay, so this will be there in your package if you buy. Okay, and this is only till July end. After that again we'll get it this price, because the effort we have put on this to make this PDF is much more than this. But we every year we do this, so we are keeping at the same price. Okay, so come and contact us so that you can buy this. This is the thumbnail for last year's thing. Please go and watch this also, which link will be there in the description box. And any more doubts, ask in comment section or in WhatsApp. Okay, so enrollment also, come and ask us in WhatsApp, which is there in the description box. So thank you and have a nice day.